I'm gonna start by just saying this. This is what I'm gonna do. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm gonna start by. Oh, I need to wait. How do I turn it off? How would I turn this off? Code completions. Configure code completions. What? Completions panel. Loading suggestions. I don't like this. What? What? No. Hmm. I mean, what's really the definition of good and bad? I mean, honestly. There's certain good practices in React that people just don't abide by. This is taking too long. I'm just gonna try to do it with code completions. I don't know. But the overarching thing of what I want to do is get wait calculate calculate total cost and cloud function. Okay. So just thinking about it, how would I do that? I would first just I'm trying to think without code, like lines of code. How would I do this? First, I would. What do I need? What are my requirements? I would need. Okay. No. I would still need this, but let me start right here. What's the process? Ordering process. So, I don't know if that's too small. Uh, the steps would be client. I'm gonna break this down as like small as I can. Client selects meals to order, and then they check out. But in them checking out, the data and them the data is stored in an array. Now, that array would look something. Is this too code related? That array would look something like this. ID is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the name is And then the quantity is 3. And let's do another one where uh is that, and then we do that. For this one, it's preset pre-made meals. They're already like the ingredients are already um determined. Okay, so let me expand this to make it look a little bit better. Hello? Why can't I? Oh, there's that, and then that. eh. Okay, the data looks like that. That's what I'm working with. So, in them checking on the data store in an array, that array. No, that's not what I'm doing. Oh, you should check out his portfolio. Um, I don't know if he's still here to link it. Wait, I'll link it. It's pretty cool. Wait, and he has an epic beard. Hold up, I got you. Ooh, I used to want to be a game dev. I don't know. I just don't have it in me anymore. But okay, wait, I'm not gonna get distracted. Hold up. Wait, hold up. Okay. Um, so I'm actually just I'm gonna keep it right there. Now, I'm not doing that. Is sent to checkout cloud function. This data is sent there. It's sent there, but then this is when I also don't know if it's too costly to do so, but like, oh, I need to turn this on just for my brain. I need this to be on. Um, what's the name for this? If I need this on a concentrate, what's the name for this? Like, what's wrong with me? Um, like I have background sounds, and I have the ocean playing, and do I have tinnitus? Is this ADHD? Like, it says ocean. There's also a there's bright noise, dark noise. There's different noises, but I'm on ocean right now. I also went through a phase of like getting on YouTube and like searching like red noise, brown noise, black noise, green noise. Yeah, I did. I did that. Wait, let me go here. Oh wait, I forgot. I cannot get distracted. Hold up. Wait. I'll just put this here. Here. I have it saved just right here. Okay. So, okay. Okay. Um, this data is sent. Really? That's cool. Ooh, I don't have Spotify. I've never jumped on the Spotify train. I'm a YouTube music kind of person. I don't know. Yeah, YouTube music is like I don't see it. I don't see myself ever switching off of YouTube music because they have like live stuff, they have unreleased music. They have so many like they have the whole library of YouTube just right there in a music app. Yeah, you also have like it people talk about like Google's like search um empire or moat being like destroyed or whatever and it's like the end of the company. I don't care. All I want is YouTube. That's really all I care about. Their real like ace in the hole is YouTube. I use YouTube religiously. And like there's nothing that is ever going to dethrone it for me. Like I could switch to ChatGPT. I could switch to Perplexity, Anthropic, whatever. But there's something about YouTube that will never leave my life. I watch YouTube and Twitch, but I'll never stop watching YouTube. It's just too ingrained in just the culture. Like, no. No. Yeah. Yeah, without a doubt. And really, if YouTube wanted to, they could end Twitch. They could just uh like focus have more focus on live content if they really wanted to. They have the feature, but if they really wanted to like hone in on that, they could. And Twitch would not be around anymore. And I've been on Twitch since it was Justin TV. So yeah. Oh, but okay. Back to focusing. That was a quick 5 minute break. Back to focusing. All right. So this data structure, yeah, me it was okay. I'm not gonna just get distracted, but like PKA, whenever I was like a teenager, that was like the reason of me being on Justin TV at the time. Yeah, because they had a podcast before podcasts were like big, and they like had their podcast on Justin TV. So yeah, and I've been watching podcasts way before like anyone like if only I had invested into Spotify. Oh, oh, oh. But um, okay. So this data is sent. Uh, this data is sent to the Stripe checkout function. Now I'm drawing a blank. What I would then do is get the Firestore. No. Oh no. I'm deleting this. I would then get the preset meal preps Firestore collection, which is this, And each document in an array, right? Let's not forget this. Let's move this over here. Okay. I would store each document in an array. Then from there, I'm thinking how I would, let's not think in coding terms, like two code, like line by line coding terms. But where my brain is going, I would then match the ID of the meals selected by the customer and search through the preset meal preps array. Wait. Iterate through the preset meal preps array and search. Oh, and match the IDs of each document with the ID of the meals that the customer selected. Hopefully that makes sense. So that then it would look. Oh, wait. They have preset meals, right? Yes. What they would be interacting with is, oh, I cannot link the local host. What am I doing? They would be looking at this and like their meal plan is 6, right? So like these are the preset meals and it goes in increments of 3. They can do half orders. Then you just need to store the meal IDs for the selected meals instead of saving all the ingredients and information, right? Really, the ingredients are just the name. In the Firestore document, it's just the name of it. Like it doesn't have like a dish name. These are the ingredients. Let me read that over again. Then you just need to store the meal IDs for the. Yeah, yeah. I also, well, this is why I'm keeping the names because once I go to, whoa, once I go to the Stripe checkout, I'm going to need the name of each one of these. Like regardless, I'm gonna have to read the database, so I might as well read it and just send it to this, and then not have to worry about the name anymore. Yeah, but what I mean is, if you have preset meals, you can just add them in the database. You can just create them in the database, and on the order add. Yeah, yeah. I still need to display on the front end though. And because I'm displaying on the front end, I don't know. At least like that's just my way of going about it. Oh, okay, 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 okay. At the end, that point to those meals. Well, what I'm gonna do is I was already kind of doing it whenever I was so uh-huh. What I was doing is like so I have my selected meals. I'm passing that through. I'm doing this, and then I want to match this and have it put into well, I guess I won't need that one. Matching meals. Where is matching meals used? I don't need that. I don't need that, I don't think. Hello, Ever. How you doing? Well, you missed a lot of the stream, but a lot of the stream was me talking and yeah, just me talking. I only started coding in the past like 15 minutes, 20 minutes. In the order request, instead of adding all the data, you just need the ID and the time to like the quantity, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. But it was fun. It was fun. It was fun. My day has been actually great. Great. How's yours been? Yeah, what you're okay, I get what you're saying. Like, for example, oops. Uh Instead of doing all of this, it would basically just be whoa, this, right? On the front end at least. But with how I'm passing it in, I think it just makes more. Well, I don't think it matters. Yeah, well, I don't think it really matters because in this stripe like thing, or not that. This right here, this description. I'm sorry. You talk about the fun stuff? Well, Pixel, was it fun stuff? We talked about what is that called? The water bears. I forgot like the technical name for it, but the water bears. We talked about quantum computing. We talked about AI. We talked about like young people being arrogant, stuff like that. Did you post it in the Discord in the recipes? Wait a second. Mm, 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 mm. I don't consider myself young. My back hurts right now. I'm not young. But yeah, in he like well, oh, wait, let me think about. Oh, well, tonight I'm actually gonna be cooking, and I'm gonna be posting in the recipes Discord, but it's not gonna be great. It's not gonna be great. I've kind of put some thought into it. I have some chicken thawing out right now, but it's not gonna be great. Just like this stream. Um, yeah, honestly, yeah. Oh yeah. I'm not gonna okay, I'm not gonna try to plate it. I'm saying the concept is not gonna be great. It's just gonna be very simple. Because I don't like multitasking in the kitchen. I'm scared of that. I'm scared of burning things. I'm scared of like overcooking things. I'm scared of that. But I think I can okay, to like not confuse myself, I'm gonna go ahead and delete this. I wish I could like comment things out with this, but I'm gonna go ahead and delete it. But I'm running out of room. Whoops. Uh okay. Yeah. The more simple the better. But I'm gonna iterate through this array. This is being stored in an array. Well, okay. What would one of these documents look like? Would it be? Hold up. If I'm remembering correctly. Oh, good. Oh, good. Take your time. Take your time. Ooh. Chef Pixel. Would this be an array? Hold up. Let me ask it. When I get a document, oh, I wish I knew what that would look like when I pull a document from a Firestore collection. How? Wait, what data structure is that? Is that data going to be stored in? Oh, wait. Okay. We'll turn an object like this. Did it just read my orders? Wait, hold up. What? Oh, because I have the code right here. Never mind. Um. mm, 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 mm. So it's gonna be an object. Okay. Not a collection, but just a document. I'm storing all those wanting to store all those documents in an array of objects. But I didn't know if this was going to be an array or an object. It's looking like it's going to be an object. So with that being said, it's going to be uh, wait a minute. Wait, I'm gonna get water. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna get water. Hold up. All right. All right. All right. All right. An object in JavaScript is basically what. Yeah, yeah, and then you map over it. Um, because I've already iterated. No, isn't the function call or call map? Oh, oh. Whoops. Welcome back. Oh, I just associate that with being an object. Mm. Is the key like that's why there's like object dot key and there's object dot value. There's also object dot entries, which I don't understand what that is. But yeah. Okay. Once I've done this, creates an array of keys or values, or whichever or whatever I want. Mm-hmm. And I do object dot entries dot keys, not dot keys, but like in the parentheses, object dot keys. Uh-huh. Gives you both keys and values. Oh, oh. Interesting. Huh. Okay. What's up, chat? So now this is okay. Iterate through and the IDs of each document. This is matching. Oh crap. Now Whoa. Okay. Is this not? Okay. This looks weird. Thank you. Hmm. Okay. So, this matching thing. Oh, my bad. My bad. Wait, what did it do? Oh. Oh, it probably looked at it as like a script or something. Um, this matching. Where am I? Oh, this matching array. Wait, would this be an array or an object? Oh, it'll be an array of objects. Would. Because it's not really going to have the name in it. It's going to have. Uh, it's going to have the ID, the quantity. Well, what I can do is just replace this with the price, the whole price. This would be 27. This would be what, 24. Really? You're gonna stream? Let me know so I can join. Learn something. That would be cool. There's an object or array. Huh? And uh, it would look like that. I believe it would look like that. I think so. uh, I think I'm on the right path. Cause now that matching array would look like that. What else would be in there? It would not have name. It would have and the quantity. Oh, whatever that may be. Three. That's gonna be fun too. Oh, wait. I, wait. I wouldn't do that. I would just push in the price because everything else doesn't really matter. Because it still has the this still has the quantity and the ID, so it really doesn't matter. What really matters is just the quantity of how many are being ordered and the price of it and the meal plan. And then from there, I can calculate the cost. Uh, enjoy your vacation. Thank you for chatting it up with me. Hopefully I'll see you soon. Hopefully you stream. And if you do, tell me so I know like where to go. You can always DM me somewhere. But yeah, enjoy your vacation regardless. And be safe. And good night. Um it's crazy because I'm almost done with like the thinking part of this. Good night, good night, good night. I think I'm done. It would it would wait. Wait. I need to add one more step in here. It would look like that. Let me copy all this. What? Thank you. Yes, it would look like that, but I need to type something different in here. Um, the price of the meal into the and it would look like that, I think. Yeah. I can do that. And then just say that. Now, from here, I would then just because these don't matter, then I would just calculate the cost. Does that do anything? No? Okay, fine. Uh, so. Ooh, I'm scared. Oh, I think I already have the logic here because it's already doing the logic right here. Mm-hmm. But what is that doing it from? Handle submit. It's total, total equals selected meals. So I'm still using that. Okay. Yeah. I already have my answer then. All right. I think I'm clear to start coding. Here's my, well, I guess I don't need the requirements anymore. I have everything that I need. What's up, Mr. Chicken? How you doing? How you doing? I haven't gotten into my IDE really this whole stream. I'm about an hour and a half in, and I have not been coding. I'm trying to prioritize thinking about what I'm coding before I start coding. Try to map it out mentally, and hopefully it works. If it doesn't, I don't think I'm cut out for programming. I think this looks solid though. Um, what would possibly make you even more sleepy? Would like biking some more help? Well, it's already late, so don't get robbed. That's not a good idea. um, well, maybe that's a good thing because probably this stream will bore you into being asleep. So it's probably a good thing. Sleeping stream. Oh, wait. My config. What is that? What does this do? Where's the file at? How do I access this? .config. Yes, lint.config. No. VS code settings. This one or extensions? I guess it's this one. Oh, I messed up. Let's try that. Hmm? What happens? What just happened? Did wait? What? What's did this just get turned into TypeScript? Am I basically just like using TypeScript without using TypeScript now? Am I manually typing this? Oh, the thing that I probably won't like is the fact that I cannot interact with this. Let's see. Yeah, probably. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it alone though. Wait a minute. Okay, you could also just hover for the same. Oh yeah, I can. Yeah. Mm, I like hovering though. Yeah, I don't think I like this one. I'll be honest. I don't think I like this one because I like hovering. Yeah, it makes me feel like I can interact with it, but I can't. I'm trying to type on or click on this, but it's doing this. I don't like the. Thank you, but I'm gonna go ahead and revert these changes. Uh, I was thinking this was disabling Copilot, the code completion thing. Um, Calculating the total cost in this cloud function. Uh, maybe it'll work. Uh, Easy, but I already know. Actually, I'll use it. I'll use it because it's gonna get me used to using TypeScript and having all that like text on the screen. So I'll use it. Um. Okay. Message. That's not a data type, is it? This is a string. What? Is this a Firestore thing or oh no, it isn't. Hmm. How so? Huh? Which one of these argument name parameter names or I don't see. Oh, all. This is all. Where are my other options? Literals. I like lit. It's still there. Okay. Okay. All right. So now this is the coding part. I guess I just follow my own thinking process. All right. So boom, boom. I don't. Let me not get ahead of myself. But regardless, I'm not going to have this anymore. This isn't going to be the same, and this is not going to be the same. But this is going to stay the same, just for simplicity purposes, because I only want to add one line item. Adding multiple is going to be a headache. So, um, so this is the selected meals. Because then I would have to think about the quantity and also calculate the cost on top of that. And I just that that gives me a headache. Uh, no, I don't necessarily have to do that because I'm just calculating all this stuff in one line item. Mm, so I'm passing this. Okay. I have all this stuff ready. This is cool. I may need to delete this. Oh, for each document in here, let's get rid of these console logs. Uh, document dot data. Push in matching meals. And matching meals. Push in doc ID. Push in the price. Push in that selected meals dot quantity. Because I'm matching it. And that's really it, right? It would just be that because names doesn't matter. This doesn't really matter either. I'm gonna do this. Um, and then go from there. Now, what does this look like? I need to run this just to make sure that I'm on the right track. CLG matching meals. Are the prices just price plan plus? Sorry, hold up. Are the prices just price plan plus? The total cost is going to be like that. The, how I'm, at least how I did it on the front end, I'm going to do the same thing on the back end. But for each half order, if not half order, then like 1/3 order. I would really be able to do that with what I'm doing now. I would be able to do that and split them all into like push all that into separate line items. I'll be able to do that. Somehow my brain isn't like working that way. Wait. Item one, plan. I didn't think about it like that. To have the meal plan be an item. Hmm. No. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm seeing what this comes up with. Nothing that comes out of here. Okay. No, it's only a one-time thing. What comes from this now? Did I not hit save? Wait. Okay, I did. So let's try it out. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. And then go here. $500. DB is not defined. Hey, yo, dog. What? Oh. Give me a second. Hold up. Give me a second. Give me a second. I'll be right back. Yeah, yeah, I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. You know what sucks? Finding out that you cut your finger, like, you don't know that you cut your finger, but the only way that you find out is by, like, washing it as if you haven't cut your finger, and, like, the cut, like, opens up even more. It sucks. Right result. What? Anyways, DB, what have I done? This may be where I messed up. Because I got it from the docs. Get all docs. I didn't define DB. Oh, that is also true. That is also true. What are those rolled? What? What did I do? Roll fried. Hold up. What? Let me wait for it. Oh, these are called birria tacos. Birria. Wait. Well, yeah, birria tacos. Um, that. Yeah. Mm, 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 mm. It will be Constellate Get Firestore Collection. Async. How did I do it? Yeah, it would be that. Has no effect. Man, yes it does. I'm still gonna add this. Okay, fine. I'm gonna rebuild this again. Hopefully this works. I also need to go to the store for what I'm gonna be making tonight. So I'm probably gonna give myself an hour to finish this. So I can go to the store, make it back in time, not go to bed too late. Yeah. Oh, you Googled it? Or you're judging based off of how this looks? Both. Both will work. Yeah. Yeah. The way that it's rolled up in this video is more like a taquito, but like it really just matters on like who makes it basically. What is this?
Cut right into this. Look how juicy it is. Look at the pool. Oh, look at that.
Oh, yeah. Okay, thankfully. Wait. Whoa. Thankfully I did not put that on whoa. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, all right. Let's try it again. Did this get sent? And what? Whoa. Order stored with ID. Order stored. So when I go here, order. That makes sense. Okay, yeah, Um, I don't really have to worry about that. This post, why is this undefined? Why would that be undefined? Is it the scope of it? Man, I wish I understood scope. And then I guess I just do it in here and then return whatever matching meals is. I don't know. It's like how would I get that out of the scope of this? Or the scope ah crap. Oh, maybe because wait. If selected meals, yeah, no, hold up, because that's something I'm not understanding. How would how would I match the ID field of selected meals if the data structure like this? Okay. To match the ID. So I did this all the way wrong. I suck. Okay. Client meal equals dot find is equal to that. This makes so much more sense. Where did I mess up at? Cause I still have this. I just used the wrong thing. I needed a dot find. Push that quantity. Okay. Okay. This. What? No. How would it do that? Let's replace everything in here with that. And then once I'm out of this, do a console log of that. All right. Really, I just wanted like an understanding of like how to match different arrays. Really? Oh, I see it too. Hold up. I see it too. I see it too. Wait. How can I fix this? I have drop frame 0. CPU is at 3.5%. All right. I'm going to have to close some of these tabs. I don't think I need that anymore. I don't need that anymore. Need that anymore. Yeah, I think I need that. I don't need that anymore. What do you mean by matching two or merging them? No, iterating over one of them and seeing which IDs match in another, and then if it matches, merge it. Well, if it matches, push a certain field into one of the objects in the one of the arrays. It, why is my stream looking like that? Hello? I don't know why this is doing this. I suppose so. Something's wrong. What could it possibly be? Mm. Hold up. Give me a second. I'm going to close OBS and see what happens. Is my YouTube like that? Yeah. Is my audio laggy? I think I figured out what it was. I figured out what it was, I think. Hello? 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 Not perfect. Why is this not coming back? My Twitch. Huh? Why's my Twitch say I'm offline? Hello? Hello? What the heck? I guess I'll stop it and start it again. I want my Twitch to work. This is weird. I think Twitch is like purposefully like just destroying my channel. And I don't know why. I don't know what I did to Jeff Bezos. Oh, I don't know. Oh, it's back. Twitch is back. But also thank y'all for coming to YouTube in the meantime. Now I'm going to try it again. Well, opening up OBS and closing it fixed it. But also my phone is kind of hot. So that also may be a thing. Hello. Please work. And it did not work. This isn't gonna work. Why? My matching is still empty. Doc ID. ID. Dot ID. What is the what is the yeah, ID is that. Doc ID is that. Okay. And then in selected meals, whenever I change it, I'm in here. The ID. So it's a thing. I'm iterating over it properly, I think. Is equal to that. It doesn't have to be the same type, I don't think. So prices or price? Prices. Okay. Client mail dot quantity. Oh. Oh. Mail data dot name. Let's comment this out for now. This is looking shaky. I don't know if I'm able to do this. And I may have to just take a step away from this real quick because it's not looking good. Whoa. I had like a massive spike in YouTube viewership. It was because of y'all. I'm like, where'd that come from? Also trying to think of different or any other kind of way that this may be hanging up. Like, why would this key changes quantity will be the object from your selected meals array. You can access that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Um, please work. Let's try it. Great. So it seems like the quantity is the reason why that's not. Why would the quantity be holding this up? Hold up. If a matching meal was found, this equals that, like finding any of this. Is this just another form of filtering? Because if so, quantity that matches. Is this just wrong? No. Let's try this again. If this, huh? Do y'all have any idea why this may be holding this up and making the matching meals empty? Because to me, I'm quantity. If a match is found, client meal will be the object from your that, and you can access the quantity array. Meal prices. I've updated this to suggest fetching. Yes, the actual calculation of the price for these items would still need to happen here on the server using that and apply your business logic. Oh, true, that may help as well. But the client, I mean, yeah. This one. Oh, whoops. Whoops. I guess we'll start this over again. The next time, if this doesn't work, next time, if it doesn't do it, I'm going to add that in there. That console log in there. Just you thinking about it takes more time than typing. Hold up. What? What? Oh, it's here. Okay. Now that we're here, I hate to do this. I'm gonna have to use AI. Just in the interest of time, I'm gonna have to use AI. I truly have no idea. I don't know why that was empty the first run. Let's try it though. For this, like after this is when I do my logic, and I think the logic is right here, but it's different. True. No lies were detected. Um, all this logic is really done right here. So, Oh. 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 I don't think I'll ever even because this doesn't have a price thing. Wait. Where in here? Meal option, meal option, meal option. Where in here do I now compare it with the things that's total meal selected? No. No. Meal options. This is where I compare it. Okay. Dot find. If there's a meal option, price key. If it's 6 meals, 3 or 5. Never? What is she never at? Oh. What does that even mean? If I just copy and paste this, how bad can this go? How terrible can this be? VAR. Am I using VAR? Oh. I was about to be upset. Oh, because currently it's undefined. Up here. What? Or right here is currently undefined. Okay. All right. Okay. All right, y'all gonna get mad at me. I'm gonna copy and paste this whole thing because I don't see where this is messing up at. The only thing is instead of meal options, I'm going to compare it to no. No, actually. Because I've already matched it. I hate to do it. I hate to do it. Fear. Okay. Now that we have selected meal plan, where else is this used at? Data.selected meal plan. Okay. So that where's the issue? Selected meal plan. Should I replace all this by or matching meals? Let's try it. Cause that's really what I should replace every instance. No, because in here it doesn't really matter. Why is that? Could not find meal options. You mean meal? No, no. Already have it. Hold up. This assumes that I'm comparing the Firestore documents with each meal, but I already have all of that in this one thing because it looks like this. Uh, 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 uh. No. How can I find this? The total cost of the. I'm very close. I have everything that I need. I'm very close. It's just I'm not able to make sense of it. Okay, you want to replicate the client side logic with your get total cost function using them. Here's how you can modify that to get that. Okay, I want to know what changed. I don't care about all the particulars. I want to know what changed. Huh? Return. And then what is this? All right, function signature. What? That isn't a thing. Oh my gosh. This isn't gonna be helpful. Uh, when I came down. Uh, Well, logic on top of math. I think this is the important part. I can just replace all the other stuff if I really want to. Current meal. I don't need to do that. I don't need to do that. I guess I just move forward with that and replace um how it's saying all that. Go up to max meal, current meal plan. Replace all these occurrences. What? Thank you. That's like a lot longer. Oh, all this stuff has comments in it and stuff. Yuck. Let's try it. Oh, no. I replace this with this, right? Oops. Let's do that. Okay. I believe this is gonna work. I believe in AI. I really do. My whole computer just blows up. This is gonna be fun. Debugging this. Let's hope that I don't have to debug anything and I replace everything like it should. It seems to have handled error handling better, or at least handling it for me. Information. Okay. Let's try this and this and see what it does. Ah! What? It was on the front end. Something happened on the front end. What did I do? I changed the unit amount. Oh. Can't I just wrap that in math.round and blah 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 blah? What? Oh. Mm. This is probably where the unnecessary unit amount field in Stripe APIs expects a number, not a promise object. Oh. Oh, I can't do that. Oh. Okay. This isn't gonna work anyways. So that is gonna work. I have to wait for this all over again. This sucks. I already did the two fixed. Wait. Huh? This may be way off. I may have to figure out the decimal points because this isn't doing one. but it's sending with a two, with a. Where's my? Oh, yeah, sending with a two fix right here. Ooh, this is ugly. Okay. Wait. Also insured is passed. I don't need that. Fine. Please work. What? Did this work? This may have worked. Um, what did you forget? Tomatoes. Oh, hey, ever. Seasoning. Oh, yeah, yeah. I don't know how. What? No, okay. Honestly, in the scenario that he's living in, this is actually a worse thing. This is even worse than forgetting tomatoes. No, 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 no. You need more than just salt and pepper to count as seasoning. No, no. This is actually terrible. Understandable. Understandable. But how are you gonna live? You didn't plan on cooking tonight, did you? What are those called? They're not tomatoes. It's something else. Cherry tomatoes. Potatoes. Yeah. I got it done. I It doesn't seem real, but I got it done. Let's try the other meal thing. And it did it. I don't think I have to do this anymore. Total cost? Am I using total cost anywhere? Right here? No. You know what? I'm figuring out paprika. I didn't understand the importance of paprika until I started using paprika. Paprika is very important. What's yours? Mine is smoked. Please go through. Please go through. Please go through. Understandable. Did it go through? 140 is the amount, right? I believe it went through. You know what's crazy? Because Ever is in YouTube, Ever is like chat wise behind because YouTube doesn't update as fast as Twitch because Twitch uses an IRC and YouTube uses something else. What? Why did that not update? Hello? Oh. Okay. So I got it done. I'm so happy. Oh, there he is. Oh, this is bad. Oh, that's not bad. Because I got this email, but it isn't a real email because it isn't a real address. But the mail got sent. What day is it? The 28th? The mail got sent. That may not be it. Because it's the saying that. Oh, that was it. It's just the bounce back came back ugly. Man. I thought. No, that's Australia. Never mind. I think I'm done. I'm going to end the stream because I'm hungry and I have to go to the store. So, bay leaf. I've think I've used bay leaf before, but I've never used rosemary. I'm scared though. Too much water can kill you, by the way. So, not false. Not false. Actually, there was a movie called Rosemary, and I think somebody died in it. I remember watching this movie, and somebody died in it, so I wouldn't rule that out. Okay, and now I'm going to. This is a good commit name. All right. So I'm getting off, and uh, what's on the docket for tomorrow? I guess the about page before I start doing more meal, because I'm pretty meal prepped out. I'm probably just gonna do real quick the about page and the admin portal. The admin portal is gonna take longer, but I'm gonna knock out the about page and then work on making the admin portal and then get back to the other meal preps. Yes, I already did, and it looks like this because it's all false, really, because I'm using this library right here. I'm using the Firebase admin SDK, and the admin SDK overrides pretty much all of the Firebase permissions for all the things that I want to do. So like sending emails, making stuff. Like the only time an email would be made, sent, or an order would be made is when like the action is going through on the server. Like anybody else cannot read or write it. But because I'm using the admin SDK, it overrides it anyways. So yeah, and if anyone needs to read any of this, the only time someone's reading this is right here. So yeah, I think I'm. Truth be told, because of the progress that I made today, I think I'm still on track to be done with this by the first. I think I am because the first is what? Oh, the first is a Sunday. Yeah, I can. Yeah, I can do this. The hard part is just doing the other meal prep options. Yes, yes. These are Firestore documents. Yes. The first is not tomorrow. So that leaves me not like the meals. What do you mean? What do you mean by that? This? Oh, these are just radio buttons. This is just like a mode, basically. Like this is just the only thing that would be calculated from the Firestore would be uh this. Whether it's in 6 meal plan mode or 10 or 15. This is what is interchanging right here because this is just a state or these are just states. If I'm in this current state, then I'm going to be using this price. If not, then I'm going to be using this price. If I'm in 6 meal mode, like okay, right here, I'm in 6 meal mode. If I click 15, these prices are going to change right here. Yes, but what if he changes okay, I already tried that. Um, wait, what? Where is this? Thank you. I'm gonna change this, and I'm gonna change it to 3. Hello, 3, 3. It's not letting me. But the plan itself, then it's gonna reset. Oh, It's calculated right here, so it wouldn't matter. Anything that's changed like on the front end side doesn't matter once this is sent in. Once this is sent in, then it's just server logic from there. Who can't change the code? This is in the cloud function. I would. I can make it so that. Okay. I can make it so that the chef, this will be pulling for from. Oh, you're right. You're right. I can do that if he ever wants to do it. This would just be like I would have a collection called like meal plan prices and then just have one number in there, be 75, 100, 140. And if he wants to change it to like 25, he can be able to do that and it'll dynamically pull it and then just update this code to just pull from that document. I could. Okay. 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 Good question. Good question. Good question. But it's now 8 o'clock and I'm hungry. Do we have any more questions? I would just do it instead of charging extra. Facts. Facts. Um, this was fun. Productive. Not efficient, but productive and fun. Oh, okay. I'll see y'all tomorrow. I'll see y'all tomorrow. In the meantime, be safe. Get some sleep because it's 3 a 3 a.m. where y'all are at. So okay, all right. I'm getting off. I'm getting off. Bye.